The French country garden speaks of a simpler time. It is a place of tranquility and beauty. It evokes the romance of the French countryside. This style of garden has remained popular for centuries. It seamlessly blends utility with aesthetics. French gardens are more than just pretty spaces. They represent a way of life. They reflect a deep connection to the land. The French country garden offers a refuge from the modern world. It is a place to relax, reflect, and connect with nature. French country gardens work in harmony with nature. They embrace the existing landscape. The design incorporates natural features. Sloping hillsides might feature terraces. Existing trees provide shade for seating areas. These gardens often have a sense of history. This is achieved by using salvaged materials. Old bricks can be used for pathways. Reclaimed stone creates charming walls and raised beds. These elements add character. They ground the garden in its surroundings. The French country garden balances structure with informality. A strong layout provides the bones of the garden. This is often geometric and symmetrical. Paths, hedges, and walls create distinct areas. Within this structure, planting is relaxed and abundant. Flowers and foliage spill over pathways. Climbers scramble up walls. This contrast creates a charming, lived-in feel. The garden feels both designed and natural. Color plays a key role in the French country garden. It is not about a riot of color but a harmonious palette. Soft, romantic hues are favored. Think pastel pinks, lavender, pale blue, and creamy white. These are often combined with silvery foliage. Lavender, rosemary, and artemisia provide this. The overall effect is soft, romantic, and calming. It reflects the colors of the Provence countryside. Section 5. The scent of Provence herbs in the French garden. Herbs are essential to the French country garden. They are both beautiful and practical. They provide fragrance, flavor, and attract pollinators. Lavender, rosemary, thyme, and sage are key choices. These herbs thrive in the French climate. They require minimal watering. Plant them near seating areas to enjoy their fragrance. Include them in borders for a touch of gray-green foliage. Herbs connect the garden to the kitchen. They are used in cooking and to make herbal teas. Section 6. Inviting wildlife into the garden. The French country garden welcomes wildlife. Birds, bees, and butterflies are encouraged. They add life and movement to the space. Choose plants that provide food and shelter for wildlife. Leave areas of the garden to grow wild. This provides habitats for insects and small animals. Avoid the use of pesticides. Instead, embrace natural pest control methods. The garden becomes a haven for both people and wildlife. Section 7. Adding a touch of French flair. Garden accessories complete the French country look. These are chosen for their rustic charm. Wrought iron furniture provides elegant seating areas. Old terracotta pots add a touch of history. A simple wooden bench tucked under a tree provides a quiet spot. Use these elements sparingly. The focus should remain on the natural beauty of the garden. Accessories should enhance, not overpower. Section 8. Sustainable practices for a French garden. French country gardens are inherently sustainable. They work with nature, not against it. Choose plants suited to your local climate. This reduces the need for watering and fertilizers, compost kitchen and garden waste. This provides a natural fertilizer for your plants. Use natural pest control methods. Embrace the principles of organic gardening. This creates a healthy and productive garden. Section 9. A garden to nourish the soul. The French country garden is more than just a collection of plants, it's a sanctuary. It's a place to relax and reconnect with nature. It's a place to grow your own food and appreciate the changing seasons. Creating such a garden is a rewarding journey. It allows you to express your creativity and love for nature. It provides a place of peace and beauty for you, your family, and generations to come.